Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you Klix App review. So what actually is Klix App? Guys, Klix is an app plus training that will show you how Jono and Andy makes thousands of dollars selling high ticket products. Basically, it is a complete affiliate marketing training, building a list, creating a product, selling the product, and how to sell high ticket items. They will show you a step by step everything, guys. Okay, right now I'm in the members area of this software Klix. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo, so don't skip this video before watching demo. This software goes live on 18th of September 11 AM EST. This is the sales page of this software Klix. We have created the ultimate recession-proof app. New app creates 3 steps stealth panels that sells high-ticket products like hotcakes. Banking as $500 to $1,000 daily with built-in traffic solution. Launch your own high-ticket business in 60 seconds or less. They will provide everything, guys. So you have no product creation, no traffic needed, no pay for ads, no VS. They will provide everything, and they will show you also everything inside the members area is here, guys. You can see lots of info, the campaign, panels, traffic, how to create campaign, how to create panels, how to generate traffic. This is how to generate email also. Here as you can see the high ticket offers, how to get high ticket commissions. They will show you everything, and how to generate a bonus page. They will provide everything, guys. Here is the another features that's called is Academy, and here is the launch list done for you, traffic, and guys, here is the coursing, reseller. They will provide training. You can see all this training here, coursing section. Here is the reseller license. Here is the unlimited upgrades and bonuses. They will provide lots of bonuses, guys. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information, everything, so stay tuned, guys. Do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. This is my blog, Passive Money University. I wrote the full review about this software Klix App here. Here's a lots of information I put, like what is Klix App all about. Klix App works 3 simple steps, and Klix App complete product overview. I also put the official demo, Klix App features, what Klix App can do for you. Klix App will work for everyone. Klix App frequently asked questions. The major important information that you need to know about this software, I put all the information here, guys. And if you purchase this software, Klix team, Jono and Andy will provide lots of bonuses. You can see all those bonuses on the sales page. I'm going to show you also all of these. Okay, guys, and also I will give you $3,745 bonuses if you purchase this software. If you purchase this product, actually this is not a software, not a training, this is the combined product. You can see both. They will provide a training, and also they will provide a system, how to generate traffic, how to create a campaign, and how to sell your high ticket products and generate high ticket commissions actually. Okay, guys, and Amazon affiliate, honestly speaking, if you purchase this software through my link, I will get a small commissions, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this. Okay, guys, and here is, you can see all of my bonuses that I will provide. These all bonuses I personally use all of my online businesses. Here is my third exclusive bonus, and I'll also give you my special bonuses. Okay, and how to claim your bonus, you can see all this info is here. And one of the best thing is, guys, this software and this product Klix App will provide 365 days, that means full on-year money back guarantee, so you have no problem to purchase it. Okay, this is me. You know, guys, Jono is a top vendor on Warrior Plus Marketplace. He is a legit guy. This is Jono. He's a legit guy. He will provide a lot of value in this members area of this product Klix App. So you have no problem to purchase it, guys. You can purchase it. Honestly speaking, this is a legit guy. Jono have lots of experience on online industry. Okay guys, so you can purchase from these guys. Okay, right now I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software, Klix App. So at first I'm going to introduce what is Klix App all about. You already know Klix is an app plus training that will show you how Jono and Andy makes thousands of dollars selling high ticket products. Okay guys, and lots of info here. I think this all information will help you to understand this software. This is the beta testers. I'm going to show you all the beta testers here on the sales pages guys. Okay, the sales pages page is under constructions because this software goes live on 18th of September 11 a.m. EST. Okay, and here is guys, the software works in 3 simple steps. Same 3 steps they do to make $1,000 day 1 autopilot. Step number 1, log into Klix App. Log into simple yet powerful Klix App dashboard to get started. Step number 2, choose your stealth panel. Pick from the different stealth panels they provide you with. All proven to work and make them money. Step number 3, deploy. Just turn on the built-in traffic solution and relax. Here is everything guys that you need to know. This all information will help you to purchase this software actually. And right now I'm going to introduce a complete product overview. The product name is Klix App, vendor's name is John Armstrong and Andy Nasser. Launch date is 18th of September 11 a.m. EST. The official website is here, so you have no problem to purchase to find out the official website actually guys. And price, the front end price only $12.97. Also this software have lots of OTOs. The OTO price is $37, $47 and $67. The price is very low guys actually, but product is very high quality. And the bonuses, you can see my $3,745 bonuses and guarantee, you know, 365-day money back guarantee. I also put the official demo here that creator of this software owner, John Armstrong, he explained well guys, that's why I shared exactly the same demo. So I'm just going to jump the members area here and I'm going to show you the demo that created by John Armstrong. He explained well, that's why I should share this demo guys. So stay tuned and attention please, let's see the demo.
Hey, what's up? It's John Armstrong here and thank you so much for checking out this video. Now in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Klix software. So let's dive straight into it. Okay, so here we are inside of the dashboard of Klix. So you can see along the left hand side we have all of these different things. So we'll start off with the campaigns because this is the first thing that you need to do. So you can create a campaign here, you can go and see your campaigns, or you could submit your campaigns for traffic. So first of all I'm going to create a campaign here. I'm just going to log back in again. So I'm going to create my campaign here. I'm going to come up with a name for it. I'm just going to call it Jono. Click on submit. And then it's going to ask if you want to create an ebook or create your funnel. So I'm going to create the funnel first, and it's going to give me all of these different templates for my squeeze page. So for the sake of this quick demo, I'm just going to choose this template. And here you can go inside, you can edit everything that you need to do inside of here. Okay, click on next. And then you can come up with a name for your lander, which is the one that we just edited. You can come up with a title. You can even put your JavaScript code in there from your autoresponder. And then you have your thank you page. So you can again put JavaScript inside of there as well, put some form code inside of there, or you can use it to link to a thank you page, which can be whatever you want. So click on create funnel, and then this will quickly and easily create your squeeze page and your thank you page. Now next, you need to go down to high ticket offers. If you want to use these high ticket offers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these high ticket offers embedded into our system. So what you need to do first is put your ClickBank ID into the top. Jono2690, that's mine. And then we go down to Super Affiliate System, which is John Cristani's one, and click on generate your pre-approved link. As you can see, it's generated my ClickBank affiliate link inside of here. So we've got that now. Now what we can do is go to our bonus page generator, and we can go and paste our ClickBank link inside of there. Click on search, and then we've got our Super Affiliate System thing here. So we can actually go and grab our bonus page here, and if I load this up into a new tab, you can see this is a landing page, a basic landing page, which is embedded with our affiliate link. So what we do now is we go back to our funnel and go to My Funnels, go to the funnel that we just made. We can go ahead and click on the settings here. And instead of using this thank you page that we generated before, we can replace that with our bonus page and click on Submit. So that's done. Now, what we need to do now is go to Email Generator, because this is going to create the emails automatically for the offer that we are using, which is Super Affiliate System. So click on there, click on Generate. Now here you can put in the form code from your autoresponder for their first name, and then the link that you want embedding into the emails is the bonus page that you just created, right? So for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to put in Jono there and click on Create. Now you can download these 3 different emails for this particular high ticket offer, and you can start sending them out in your autoresponder, which is pretty cool. Now, on top of these high ticket offers, we also have low ticket offers, which you can find down here under Launch Lists. So here it basically links out to Munchai. So if we click on this offer right here, you can see it takes us to Munchai, where we can go ahead and view the JV page and go and grab our links and all of that kind of stuff. It's pretty simple, but it's all hosted in one place. Now there's also an academy inside of here where Andy does most of the training for each specific thing that's going on here on the left hand side, so your subscribers will know exactly what to do with each area of Klix. Now when it comes to the traffic, we have, like I said, we have some very basic free traffic stuff inside of here. So if we go through to traffic and then setup, you can input your Twitter, Instapaper and Folked username and password. If you don't have them, you can go and set one up. You can also put your blog base URL inside of here, and it will syndicate the links out to each of these social media platforms. So I know this is very basic traffic, but it might actually score you something. And we also have SEO traffic, so you can plug in a keyword here. So for example, money, and then you can search, and it will come up with all of these different articles that you can then go and copy and paste onto your own website or onto your own social media platform. So this is very, very basic free traffic. If they want more advanced free traffic, then we do have those in the upgrades, which I'm not actually going to talk about inside of this video, because I just wanted to give you a quick demo of the Klix app. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software Klix, okay, and you have no problem. If you have any problem, they will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video tutorials. Okay, right now I'm just going to jump the my blog. Okay guys, here is the Klix app pacers. Here as you can see everything, and Klix app will work for everyone. And Klix app frequent last question, this is very, very important. Right now I'm just quickly introduce all the frequent last questions. Do I need any experience to get started? None. All you need is just internet connection and you are good to go. And is there any monthly cost? Depends. If you act now, none, but if you wait, you might end up paying $997 per month. It is up to you. Guys, see, you can see here very, very high quality system and high quality software that's called is Klix. So this is the right time to purchase it guys. And how long does it take to make money? Their average member made their first sale the same day they got access to Klix app. And do I need to purchase anything else for it to work? No. Klix app is the complete thing. You get everything you need to make it work. Nothing is left behind. What if I failed? While that is unlikely, they removed all the risk for you. If you tried Klix app and failed, they will refund you every cent you paid and send you $300 on top of that, just to apologize for wasting your time. How can I get started? Awesome. I like your excitement. All what you have to do is click any of the buy button on the page and secure your copy of Klix app at a one-time fee. Keep in mind guys, this is the one-time payment software, no monthly fee or recurring fees here. And here is all of my bonuses that I will give you totally free. And if you have a problem in receiving your bonuses, you can email us. Our email is here. I will send you bonuses, guys. Okay, that's it. Right now I'm just going to jump the sales page of the software Klix, and I'm going to show you a step by step all the sales page information. First, 99 action taker get instant access to Klix Super Search funnels. Average users saw 185% increases in profit worth $1,997. Okay, never seen before system that sells high ticket products on autopilot. Okay guys, this is the 100% secure your money because 365-day money back guarantee, and lots of information for the vendor here on the sales pages. Okay, and the internet marketing are not a rocket science. This is a easy thing. You can also do this if you use the software Klix perfectly. Also they will provide a training section. Okay, on the he decided to Gabriel. Here is lots of testimonials I'm going to show guys on the sales pages. Stay tuned. Okay, the sales page is under constructions. Okay, and here is guys, you can see every single one of them made at least 300 within 24 hours. This is there are beta testers. Okay guys, so you can also make money like this. Okay, and that's it guys. This is the information of this software Klix. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video if you want to make money from online, if you are a struggling marketer. And this is the best way guys to make money from online, because this is a software and also a training. Okay, I hope guys you understand, and I hope you share this video of your failure friends, of your struggling friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's just say for you. Thank you. See you soon my next video, my beautiful friends.